Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the belt on this belt sander. It's very simple. You only need two tools: Phillips screwdriver and a 14mm wrench. Alright, our first step is going to be to tilt up the belt itself, which, if you're not familiar, is this bolt right here. We're just going to loosen that with our 14mm wrench, and then we can pull it upright like this. Now, the rest, everything else, is just going to be with a screwdriver. So we've got a screw here and here. I'm going to take out these two here. I'm going to take out this screw, that screw, and then this bolt here. And finally, we're going to pull out these two screws on the bottom. Alright, now we're just going to pull off the bottom plate. Now we're just going to move the tension lever to loosen. If we turn this back around now, we can pull the belt right off. Now the bottom here, this guard, you just can kind of move that out of the way. And it comes right out. And to put it back is the exact same way. This belt does not have an arrow on it, but if the inside of your belt has a directional arrow, make sure that it is facing the same direction that the rotation is going. So we're going to take it, we're going to put the bottom on first, we're going to pull down the guard. And then we're going to put the top on, and it just slides right in. Now we're just going to put all the screws and pieces back on. Alright, now that we've replaced the belt on here, I'm going to show you how to correct the tracking so that it runs straight and doesn't come flying off the machine. Before you start the tracking, all the tracking means is the side-to-side movement of the belt, and that's controlled up here on this front pulley. All you're doing is making sure that the belt isn't going to run off to this side, run off to this side, because over time, if it continues to run off to either side, it can end up coming off. Break the belt, you're going to have to replace it sooner than necessary. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn it on, and then while it's running, we will turn this adjustment knob here, and you'll see as you turn it, it'll move a little bit back and forth, either way depending on the direction you turn it. As you can see, there's now a gap here on this side. I'm going to turn it this way. And that brings it right up to the edge of the roller. Alright, so we turned this knob so that it was running true on the edge of the roller here, and then we ran a piece of wood on it just for a couple seconds just to make sure that the pressure wouldn't make the belt move, and it didn't. So now we know it's tracking. Alright, so that's how you replace the belt on this Harbor Freight Central Machinery 4-inch desktop belt sander. It's a fantastic sander, it works great. Belts are easy to change and easy to make sure they track straight and true. I'm testing out the Craftsman belts. I've never used them before, but they're available at my local Lowe's, which is a lot closer than my local Harbor Freight. So I'm going to try those out and see how they work. If you want to see more videos like this on a bunch of other topics as well, don't forget you can subscribe to the channel, like the video, share with any of your friends that might need this type of video. And until next time, this is Nathan, signing off.